Hi guys, and welcome to your lesson today about skip counting in fives. Okay, like we've said before, a number board is a really great tool to use when we're learning to skip count. So today we're looking at skip counting in fives. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the counter and see what happens when I skip count in 5. So first of all, I start on the number 5. Then I jump to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So each time I'm skipping 4 and then landing on 1. So skip 4, land on 1. Skip 4, land on 1. And that's how we count in fives. If I continue to do that, this is what my number board would look like. So let's practice counting in fives together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's take a closer look at this number board and see if we can see any patterns. Oh, I can see one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blank rows that aren't coloured in, and then the fifth one is completely coloured. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 blank rows again, and the fifth one completely coloured. So that's the pattern I can see on the board. Now let's look at the pattern in the numbers that we can see. I can see that here it ends in 5, and in this column it ends with a 0. Now let's look at the number before that. The first number is getting bigger by 1 each time. Bigger by 1 each time. So it ends with a 5, then with a 0. Ends with a 5, then ends with a 0. Ends with a 5, and then ends with a 0. While the number in front gets bigger by 1 each time. Okay guys, now head on over to the wiki and check out what your practice task is for skip counting in fives.